Hey there Funkins, what is up? You want the working mod directly injected on your FNF mobile game. In this video you are going to see how you can do that. As you can see here, I have gotten a broad list of the FNF mods. It's like Indie Cross V2, Sonic EXE, Mario Madness, Impostor V2 and much more, and you are going to see how you can inject the mod. It's pretty simple. It's gonna take like 1 or 2 minutes max to max, so watch the video till the end and you will get to know how you can do that actually. So here, let me minimize all and dive into the tutorial directly. So minimize everything and open up your browser which you are using on your iOS or Android device and go to the address bar and type this Tom cost. So guys, this is the website. Make sure you are spelling it right so that you can dive into the right place. And here you see a broad list of mods as well over here. Okay, so let me try to inject the Sonic EXE into my FNF game on my iOS. Here you need to enter your player ID after tapping on the mod you want to inject on your FNF game. In my case, mine is no already is the okay here autofill game, and this is my username and I'm using iOS device. So tap on start handshake and now it has started injecting on my FNF iOS game over here. So that was very easy, and that's how you can actually inject the mod on your FNF game. And here is the security check. Verification needed to complete the asset injection and finalize file syncing. Okay, tap on the verify and finalize, and let's see what it gonna take me. And now it has opened this page, and what it says like, get the Friday Night Funkin mobile mod by completing 2 simple tasks from the list. So that's actually very easy. What you need to do is pretty simple. Just install 2 apps from the list, given list, and after you install it, sign up there by using your Google or phone number, and after that staying on the app for 30 seconds. That's the minimum duration you need to stay on the app. After, you don't have to make any purchase, you don't have to do any activity, just stay there and get your phone unlocked, and you will be done the verification process, and in no time the mod will be injected directly on your FNF game on your device. Make sure you are selecting the right device you are using. Like if you are using the Android, you select the Android, and if you are using iOS, you will have to go with the iOS, and that's how you can do that. So thanks for watching guys, and I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Don't ever forget to share among your friends whoever needed it. Thanks for watching guys.